110, but which one? Super armor bypass, super armor bypass, super armor bypass, shield piercing, fracture true.
Guys.
Okay, it's this one, I think. Hold on, I'm loading my best bullets. Hold on.
Got you too.
Huh?
So load the bullets.
Ah, yes, I'm ready.
Right? Okay.
We going?
Penetration 80%. Hold on.
That's not loading.
Base damage 125.
Maybe I should drop my defib outside.
No, it's too late.
Yeah.
It's too late. We're gonna.
Super shield by.
Should I still drop it regardless?
Yeah, sure, bro.
It's fine.
Okay, you guys ready?
I guess, bro.
Okay, take all the boxes you want. Drink everything you need. Wait. Popping this vitamin. Popping everything in this. Yeah. Pop literally
Yeah.
everything. Bandage. Splint. Syringe.
Syringes.
Alright, I'm popping it. I'm gone.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Step back. I'm blitzing that.
No! 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 I can't shoot her. She'll catch up to me.
Yeah, it's fine. Keep running.
No! Ah!
He's dead. I'm loading mags.
Don't walk into her. Just
I couldn't do anything.
Okay.
Yes!
Oh, she's dead! Oh, she's dead! She's dead! Oh!
Yeah.
Hold on, get away. Hold on, get away from me.
Hold on. Hopefully, wait. Hold on. Let me see. Hey, Kyle, if we hurry up, we could go back in there.
He did
Get a
save
photo.
me. What's in the...
I want to read what her text is.
Just pull a no.
before I respond.
I'm trying to get in there. Hold on.
Oh, selfie time. Hey, look, got it, guys.
Could have worked together. We could have been one and together.
Hey, guys,
Okay.
guys, what I'm doing.
Open the door, please.
Look at what I've become.
Open the door. I can't open it.
Look at
It's locked.
Oh, well, I got it anyways.
what you've become.
Open her bag. I captured her. What? Hello Kitty bag? A
Chainsaw.
chainsaw. Monolith Cola.
Ooh.
What key was that?
The army.
There's something I need to let you know.
Mono universal key.
Before I go.
Oh, Chitsai's
See.
here.
Take this. Hey, wait.
Take this. You don't need it. Take this. Wait.
You will.
You will.
Trust me.
Trust.
What did you give me, bro? Ah, no!
Oh. Ain't that cute? Is Kyle dead?
I'm dead. You got just give the defib real quick. I'm dead. Hold on. Take the defib. I'm dead.
Who else is dead, Kyle?
No, I think I can.
Nah, I have a vessel life. I just wanted to see the dialogue.
Dude, that was so funny with the grenade. I was like, alright, let's see what in on me. Who cares? How about the chainsaw? Oh, is it good stuff? Oh, it's good stuff. My bad. I'll take this stuff. My bad. What's my stuff? Oh, right here. Just research the chainsaw upside down.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, I gotta research the cola too.
Oh yeah, give me that.
Honestly, I'm going by the way.
God damn it.
And the cola.
Chainsaw.
It's radioactive.
Hey, where's the cola?
Alright, yeah, research the key in it.
No, Recon despawned!
Research
Yeah.
That's why I told you to come back here faster.
I wanted to read her dialogue.
Oh,
Research the chainsaw. Keep the chainsaw.
why is it radioactive?
I don't know. Good count. Alright, I don't know what's in one. You guys
Where
ready?
oh, there's
You guys ready?
Yeah, hold on. Wait for Kyle.
Oh, guys, sorry. Because only one group of one of us know me.
Alright, buddy.
Hey, man. Okay, since
I would say let's try clearing mineshaft after this.
since I'm the only one that survived, therefore I should be the one entitled to this whole thing. So, thanks,
Okay.
guys.
Motherfucker, I poured an entire PSG mag into her with all my.
I put 4 different mags in it. Alright, I'm going in, guys. We're opening it. Alright, guys.
Okay.
Let's see. Good job. Oh, so that sucked. I thought we had more in stock.
Oh, this is ass.
Yeah.
This is ass.
It's kind of sad.
This is a little underwhelming.
60, 45, 70. Oh, wow. Wow.
Hell is 45 on Cowboy.
What a letdown. But not in a good way. Not like this.
Okay, we're not killing. We're not killing her ever again.
Okay,
Can we do it like one more time?
No, I can do it. I can do it with you for the completion. Yeah, we can just. I can distract while you take a photo and download it.
Once a key. Once a key.
And then please leave.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Hey, Hayden, you want to take the chainsaw into the mine shaft and pop a volt? That might work. That might work.
That'd be funny though. I'm actually.
You could put the jerry can probably into that chainsaw to refill it.
Why
Could
can't I
you
pick
do?
up the defib? What?
You're lagging.
Oh.
I was lagging. Kyle,
Yeah.
laggy ass.
That's not good.
Kyle's yo. He's. It's over for bro.
Both of you are disconnected on my screen.
Both of us?
Both of you are gone.
Both?
Oh, both of us?
Both of you are gone.
Both?
No.
Oh, fuck off.
Okay, I think the game just doesn't want us to
Yeah.
play anymore.
Well, that's
You know what,
fucking
let's-
awful.
Let's pack it up. Oh, yep, I'm gone.
Pack it up. Yep. Why did we both get disconnected?
All right.
Oh,
pack
you know,
it
it's
up.
because we died and Kin lived.